Now that we have covered what AI image generation is, the next question is much more practical. Why are people actually using it at work? So in most workplaces, the reason is not just generating something for the sake of generating. No, people use it because they need to communicate ideas much more clearly and quickly. In many jobs, visuals are part of everyday work. That could be presentations, training materials, internal documentation, and so on. I want to focus on three very practical reasons people turn to image generation. First, it can help you make visuals much faster. Second, it can help turn abstract ideas into something visible. And third, it can be useful for internal work. For example, documenting or posting something on your intranet. The first reason people use AI image generation at work is simple: speed. A very common situation is you're building a presentation and you want a strong visual to make the slide more polished. Traditionally, you might spend quite a while searching through websites, trying different search terms, etc. This is where AI image generation comes into place. Instead of searching for something that already exists, you can describe the kinds of image you want exactly and generate a few options to choose from. So in this example, I wanted to have a visual that resembles brainstorming. Looks pretty good, right? This is one of the biggest reasons these tools have spread so quickly at work. They reduce the time it takes to go from I need some kind of visual to I now have something usable enough to go further with.
The
The
value
value
is
is
not
not
just the
the
creation, it
it
is
is
reducing
reducing
friction.
friction. A second reason is it helps create visuals from abstract ideas. A lot of workplace communication is difficult because the subject is conceptual. You may be talking about a process, a principle, a system, and often text alone is not the easiest way to explain it. In this example, the concept is photosynthesis. If you only explain it with a long definition on a slide, learners or viewers have to do more mental work to picture what is actually happening. But when the idea is visually, it becomes easier to understand and remember. This is a real, especially useful case of AI image generation. It can help you create illustrations, metaphors that support understanding. In this use case, AI is not only saving time, but it's really helping to explain more clearly. A third reason is internal work. A lot of visuals in organizations are not public facing. They are used inside teams, workshops, onboarding materials, etc. In those cases, the goal is often not perfection, but clarity and usefulness. In this example, the task is explaining how to request IT help. This is the kind of thing that often appears in internal trainings. People want the process to feel simple and easy to follow. So instead of more boring slide with a lot of PowerPoint bullets, you can create this nice infographic you see here on the left. But be aware that image generation is not perfect, especially in the beginning. You might see the mistake we have 2 times submit on item 3 and item 4. Later in this course, we'll learn how to fix this as well. So if we take a step back, the main reasons people use AI image generation are speed, clarity, and support of everyday work. Let's proceed with the next chapter.